going to be too awful close? I'm going to stay back a little bit.
Whoa. You all right?
Huh?
You all right?
Yeah. I got all crossed up a little.
Did you go down?
No.
Oh, I was like, somebody's gonna crash here.
I went down onto a foot. I mean, you know.
Oh, all
I
right.
had to drop a foot.
We good?
Through my seat was all the way up and shit. And I'm like, oh, no.
Low bridge! Ooh, downhill next 3 miles. You might have missed the sign that says downhill next 3 miles.
Here we go. Yeah. Don't need more air.
Downhill next 3 miles.
3 miles.
All right, you guys good?
Lower saddle.
Lower saddle and let's descend.
Is that going to help a lot?
Yes, massively. Oh, that was fun. Waldo! Did you survive
Yep.
the giant drop?
The giant drop. I stopped on.
Oh, did
I was
you?
like, it almost went nuts to fucking thing.
Did you do the drop?
Max almost ran into me, so
I kept almost running into Waldo.
Nice.
I gotta stay back a little bit.
No, you're filming. You get on his ass. There's nothing like a pilot to make a great YouTube video.
I'm going down somewhere better filming.
Yeah,
I love this part. Wish it was all like this.
that big drop was pretty sweet in the middle of it. I was like, whoa, there's a
Did you
2-foot
take it-
drop.
Did you take it as?
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
I wasn't slowing down.
Yeah.
It's on the video.
Yeah, he got a whoa as I went like whoa.
And then you got Waldo like skirping down.
Yeah. I'm sure there's more. You guys good?
Yeah.
Let's rock it. Left! Oh, cool. Oh. There's a little more. How's the riding order working out?
What's that?
How's the riding order working out?
Pretty good.
Are you almost killing Waldo?
No, I'll just like stop for a sec.
So we go down here to the next intersection, and then we decide.
I like this order.
All right, on you guys.
Am I bleeding somewhere?
Don't look like it. Not yet.
We're fucking up the... I guess we're not at the top. So we can go downhill for
No, we're not at the bottom yet. We got one more intersection
It's
to
so
go.
funny, even when it doesn't feel like it's downhill, I'm like coasting good or picking up speed, and I'm like, holy shit.
Yep.
It's nice, right?
Doesn't feel like downhill, but fucking shit if I'm not moving without pedaling.
All right, you ready?
This is my favorite, just going all down.
Oh, there's still some more. Woohoo! Ah, look at that. That's tight. Woo! Almost died. Oh! Ow! Uh-oh. Took it. I think it took. Yep. Let's give it some air. We'll be all right. That was fun with a flat tire. Yeah, boys. Nice. Strava. What are you doing? All right. I did that whole descent with a flat tire.
Oh, really?
Yeah.